beauties, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get rid of a ton of waste from your stomach using simple and natural ingredients. Okay, so many people do live with this waste in their stomach, which usually leads to constipation, stomach pains, and a lot of discomfort, but they don't actually know that they have this waste that is being stuck up in their stomach and their intestine that they really need to get rid of in order for them to start being comfortable again. So that is what I'll be showing you in this video. It is very simple and easy to make. This is just going to help wash off all the dirt, wash out all the waste that is in your intestine and in your stomach. And after doing this, you are going to feel relieved, you are going to feel very light, and then it's also going to help reduce your tummy, because this waste, excess waste in the tummy, also leads to bloating, which makes the tummy to be big, and nobody likes to walk about with a big tummy. So that's what I'll be showing you in this video. If today is your first time stopping by, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos again. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends as well. And let's get right in. I recommend you drink 6 to 8 glasses of lukewarm water per day. This is going to help cleanse the colon, and then especially when you take this first thing in the morning, you have at least 2 glasses of lukewarm water in the morning. This is really going to cleanse your colon, and then you will be visiting the toilet in the next 30 minutes to 1 hour after consuming the water. Also, after drinking the water, try eating plenty of foods that are high in water content, and this include fruits and vegetables like watermelon, tomatoes, lettuce, celery, and parsley, and there are so many other foods like oranges that you can take, which is going to help cleanse the colon naturally. Next one is the salt water flush. You can also try out salt water flush. I especially recommend this for people experiencing constipation and irregularities. This is because a study has shown that salt water could possibly clear the colon when paired with certain yoga poses. And then before eating in the morning, mix 2 teaspoons of salt with lukewarm water. The recommended salt you should be using for this is either sea salt or Himalayan salt, and for this remedy I'm making use of Himalayan salt. I'm going to leave the link in the description. So drink this water quickly on an empty stomach, and in a few minutes you will feel the urge to go to the toilet. So do this in the mornings and in the evenings, and make sure you stay at home because you need to be visiting the toilet often in order to get rid of all the waste that is stored up in your system. The third one is the high fiber diet. Fiber is an essential macronutrient often overlooked in diet. It is found in whole healthy plant foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, seeds, and more. So there are so many fiber-rich food that you should definitely be consuming if you want to cleanse your colon. Plants contain cellulose and fibers that help to bulk up excess matter in the colon. They also help to regulate constipation and overreactive bowels while boosting the bacteria and probiotics in the colon. So always make sure you eat plenty of high fiber foods, which is going to help in keeping a healthy colon. Beauties, that's just 3 of the many ways that you can use to get rid of excess waste from your tummy. I hope you are going to try this out. If you try this out, please do let me know. You can come talk to me on my Instagram page. The link is on the screen and also in the description box. Also, do go ahead and share this video with your friends if you found the video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out and turn on the notification bell. I also have a free ebook for you in the description box, so do check that out, pick it up on your way out, and I'm going to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.